French fries. Salty, delicious, fried potatoes, probably from somewhere in America. But originally, these are from France. These allumette cut potatoes, what are they like in their origin place? Which brings me to what's in my glass right here. Are you ready to learn by tasting? Wine tells us a story, and everything is right here in the glass. We just have to learn how to read it. And the first thing we'll do is to take a look at it. This wine is a deep ruby purple color. I can't see through it. That color is from anthocyanins in the grape varieties, which we don't typically see at this level from a cooler climate. It's earthy, black plum, crushed rocks, a little violet, dried leaves, maybe some blackberry. Those black plum and violet notes are characteristic of the grape variety. That rustic leafy flavor is pointing at maybe traditional winemaking techniques still practiced in Europe today. This wine is very high tannin and grippy, and there's really moderate acidity going on here. If there's any oak aging, it's definitely used barrels because I don't get those sweet baking spices and chocolate notes from new toasted oak. This is definitely a thinker. So if you're playing along, do you know what grape it is? Is it Cabernet Sauvignon, Grenache, Malbec, or Pinot Noir? Let's take a moment to ponder that while I bring in the resident pro, master of wine, Christine Marsilio.
That deep, almost black color can be deceiving. We might think of Cabernet Sauvignon, given the high tannins and the oak influence, but that delicate floral hint, the touch of violet, really narrows it down. That is classic Malbec for you. Now, Argentina is where you'll find the most Malbec planted. But did you know that southwest of France, specifically Cahors, is the grape's original birthplace? Cahors is nestled in the foothills of the Pyrenees and has been known for its black wines since the Middle Ages. And they're actually a very fascinating contrast to the fruit-forward styles from Argentina. Here in Cahors, it's all about the rustic, savory touch. It's an exciting journey for our taste buds, like meeting an old friend and discovering a whole new side to them.
And this little Malbec journey brings us to this bottle right here. This is Clos Coutale Cahors Malbec from southwest France. The Bernede family has been in Cahors for a long time. In fact, it was founded before the French Revolution. Cahors sits in the Lot Valley, a wild switchback river with silica, clay, and limestone-based soils. This region is also famous for some of the longest lived people on Earth, and they are eating the French paradox diet. Speaking of which, I really want to pair this wine with hearty foods. I'm thinking duck confit or cassoulet. Think like the locals do. The tannins in this wine actually help as a palate cleanser, scraping the proteins and fats away. Wow. This is a special and unique find. If you like this segment, definitely let Christine or myself know. The wine itself is part of Wine Folly Club, and you're welcome to join us and you can taste along. We've got more videos like this coming up, so subscribe if you'd like to learn more about wine. And until next time, happy tasting. Peace out.